Good morning, everyone. This is Hurobo Bible Reading Platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 4, verse 13 to 15 in Hurobo language. Obe re Matthew uyobi ronye hene awo ronye ikwera rite ikwiyori. Verse 13. Ode vre ne Lazareth po kepalon rokere oma re abadi ve uru ri Zebulon kugbe Laftani. Verse 14. Rere ota na wogba ore Isaiah mraro roine. Verse 15. Oto ri Zebulon kugbe Laftani rokere abadi ve abo oboyin ri Jordan kugbe Galilee re erora na. Thank you.